The seminary and institute teacher manuals have been written in a way to help teachers incorporate the fundamentals of gospel teaching and learning. These fundamentals are part of a basic learning pattern that teachers and students can follow to instill the gospel within their minds and hearts. The fundamentals in the learning pattern include: understand the context and content, identify doctrine and principles, understand doctrine and principles, feel the truth and importance of the doctrine and principles, and apply the doctrine and principles. Let's take a look at how the fundamentals of gospel teaching and learning are included within a lesson of the Seminary Teacher Manual. This is the lesson plan for 1 Nephi, chapters 3 through 4. Notice that this lesson plan contains teaching and learning suggestions that cover all of the fundamentals. Let's look at each fundamental one by one. Each lesson plan contains suggested activities that will help you guide your students to understand the context and content of the scripture block. Other parts of the lesson plan include questions that will lead your students to identify doctrine and principles. Similarly, other sections of the teacher manual contain learning activities to help you and your students better understand the doctrine and principles, feel the truth and importance of doctrine and principles, and apply the doctrine and principles in your lives. As you prepare to teach your students by pondering the scriptures and studying the teacher manual, you can trust that the fundamentals of gospel teaching and learning have been incorporated into each lesson plan. As you prayerfully incorporate these fundamentals, you will help your students have meaningful learning experiences with the Scriptures and the Spirit, which will deepen their conversion to the gospel of Jesus Christ.